Have you ever wondered what good filler looks like? Well, good filler should actually be undetectable. Hi, I'm Makayla. I am a registered nurse here at Peak Plastic Surgery, Denver. So dermal fillers are made up of hyaluronic acid, and when injected into the face, they actually give your face more structure and more support. Filler is different from wrinkle relaxer, where it gives your face more structure and support, where wrinkle relaxer works on the fine lines wrinkles of the face. So there's multiple areas on the face that we can treat with filler. Some of the areas would include the temples, the cheek, we can treat the lips, the jawline, the chin, and even the nasolabial fold lines. So with filler, we like to treat the face structurally, which means that instead of focusing on one area of the face, we like to treat the face as a whole. One area of the face that is of concern for you might be due to another area of the face just due to simple aging. So to fix that, we treat the whole face as a whole. So to avoid the overdone look of filler, sometimes actually being treated, less is more. And what I like to tell my patients is it's always easier to add than it is to take out. So the average patient rates the procedure of filler 2 out of 10 pain. There is numbing that we can also do to just make you a little more comfortable and at ease. Recovery of filler is very patient specific and it depends on the area that was treated, but bruising and swelling are normal. So depending on the area treated, filler does last anywhere between 12 to 18 months. After it wears off, you should go back to just your normal untreatable self. So a question that I often get is, can filler be dissolved? And yes, it can be. We do have an enzyme or a medication called hyaluronidase that we can inject into the areas that the filler was placed. Someone that's a good candidate for filler is someone with mild volume loss and support to the face. If someone's not a great candidate for filler, we do have other options such as Sculptra and even surgery.